Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a lateral stretch variation. Reach your arms overhead, interlace your fingers, and press your palms away. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Release and return to center. Moving into a knee tuck variation, place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you. Keep your spine straight and your core engaged as you extend both legs forward. Lean back at a slight angle, using your core to stabilize. On your exhale, draw one knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged and your navel back towards your spine. Pause with both legs extended. Maintain the position of your spine with your core engaged. Alternate lifting from right to left, keeping your legs straight and strong. Moving at your own pace, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Adding on, begin to alternate lifting one leg up, out to the side, and back to center, repeating on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, gradually increasing your range of motion, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, using your core to stabilize. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.